release pressure on S1?
No, he
No, you
maintained
keep
it too. Okay, so first things first, we need access to this area, right? It's always easy. Don't like stick hand there trying to get in there. It's easier just to bend this leg here and just do this, right? Gives you instant access here. Okay. Find the PSIS, right? You can't see what I'm doing at all. I'm doing this on the sacral base. Come back down. Okay. Alright. Hypothenar. ASIS, right? And we'll push straight down. Say, no, that's way too stiff. Let me see, which is the line of force? Oh, and that's the line of force right there. Okay. S1, hypothenar eminence. S2, piriformis. Right? S3, thenar eminence. Right? It's that fast. I took 3 hours to explain it, but it's really that fast, right? Because there's so many things could go wrong. If you do one thing wrong, the whole test becomes invalid. If you go straight down, it becomes invalid. If you put your hand to over here, you're just doing a hip joint, right? If you want to stabilize the sacrum, you're just moving the whole pelvis. Okay? The last thing, when you're doing this, I'm looking at this ASIS, making sure it's not moving. Because some people are so stiff when you do this, this whole side will just come up, right? So you're not really testing the SI anymore. You're just testing like lumbar rotation. Okay, so you're just making sure this side doesn't go up. Okay, this is also the treatment, by the way. If it is capsular, just keep on doing it. If it's muscle, you have to release that muscle. Okay. Yep.
If one of us, like, say on the practical, we have to do this, and like they have the problem where their hip is coming up, like how would you go about to stabilize?
Oh, good question, right? So if this keeps happening, right? Like this keeps coming up, right? I need more weight on the left side to stop it. So you just slide it like that, right? Abduct it more, and then prevent it from rotating as much. Okay? Plus you have to go a little bit slower. That means you're running through the joint. Yep.
So you use that as a remote if it's capsular.
Yeah, if it's capsular, this is how you do the mobilization, right? So when you guys are practicing today, right now, practice this. This is how you treat it as a mobilization, okay? You can use your arms, or you can flex the leg, and you go through the leg. Yep.
So your hand's just there to know.
Adjust.
What's that? What is that question?
Is
Yep.
S1 would be more up on?
Ah, good question, right? So, do I flex my hip more to get to S1, right? So usually, the less you flex the hip, the higher you're going. So, the more I flex, I get more to S3. By 7 degrees, that's S1. Okay? So this is how this is first some treatment you're learning for the SI. If it's a capsular SI problem, this is it, okay? So, you're doing both sides, okay? Because especially if you have an unphysiological rotated sacrum, right? You want to know, can it move out of it? So the pain might be on the left-hand side, but I'm testing the right side. So I wonder if the right side can move. If the right side can move, it's most likely it's causing the left side to move too much, right? So this is the reason why we do both sides. Yep.
For Jenny, is she muscular or capsular?
Oh,
Just so I
know.
can get a feel like
I don't
when
know.
I
Okay,
practice.
that's a good question, right? So we're doing this over here. Okay. So S1, that is. Remember, the first question is she stiff? First of all, S1's pretty stiff. 2 is great. 3 is great. 1 is what, capsule?
Sweetwater.
Okay. Remember, and then what you do, if you think it's muscular, right? What do? You confirm it by touching the muscle. Touch the muscles right here.
For S1.
Yep. And while we're here, right, I'm going to show you guys how to release the ischiococcygeus, right? We talked about how to release the multifidus already. We talked about how to release the piriformis. That's pretty easy, right? But ischiococcygeus, right?